VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, and you can see we have the futures market is open, and we're just going to give you a quick look. You can see today the Bitcoin price had a nice pump this morning. See that? We had a little pump this morning, or mid-afternoon. Came right up into this bottom part of the white support zone, and as you know, we were in that volume indicator major trading area. I put out an extensive video on the Bitcoin US dollar stock market connection and the Fed Bitcoin connection, right? And what the Fed does with monetary policy and how that affects the US dollar and correlates into Bitcoin. That was a 15-minute video. I implore all of you to watch it. It's very important. But you can see where we're in this major volume trading area. There it is. See that in the white support box? And you can see we got below it. And once we got below it, we were talking about that. You might come down to this double bottom real quick at 25,435. It got really close to that. On a regional low today, it's come down to 26,497, it looks like. But you can see when we had that little rally earlier, kind of that hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal pattern, it came right back up into this this major volume profile area from the bottom side, just touched it and crashed, right? That's how you know that volume indicator is playing a key role, and now it's starting to act as resistance. So if you could try to bounce here and reverse, your fairest area to get knocked down again would be up here. That's what I would watch out for. If you can fire back through this, you could trade back up into the mean of the short-term volume profile to 29,651, but that'd be a big rejection zone if you could even get up that high. And if you can't gain some support, you're going to have to trade down lower towards this ring down here, right? We got a ring that we took the color off. Maybe you can see it right there, but it's at $21,111. Would be a major flush zone if there was a big flush coming on a big quick flash crash. But your major support that you would have a last line of hope before you flush that far would be 25,346, your regional bottom. So that's what we're watching out for, is can you hold this volume indicator profile range at the bottom right here? If you can't, you're going to flush all the way down to $21,114, right? So that's very important to pay attention to. And of course, this thing is just such a pain in the ass. Like, why won't you just click it? Fuck. Right there, you can see that in green. It used to be a different color. Now we put it in green. But that's your major sell area. That's your major support zone if you fail to hold this volume profile range right here. See that? We'll put it live. You can see down here, there's just a little bit there. If you can't hold it, it's actually at 25,446. If you can't hold that, you're coming down to this green ring down here at 21,000, right? If you can hold this area, you can try to bounce back up into this white support zone, right? So that's what we're looking at there. But everything's looking bearish right now. This was just a quick update to look at the market. You can see the dollar has opened up today and has opened up fairly strong again. You can see it's up nearly 0.5%, and that's very strong for the dollar. And then if we go look at the stock market, you can see the stock market, the NASDAQ is open, and the NASDAQ has opened up pretty far down. It's opened up 1.81% down. So the stocks are looking bearish, but there could be a turnaround tonight, as sometimes you get the markets to open one way and then they turn the other way, a little mini fake out. So we're going to watch out for that to see if the dollar continues to open up down, continues to progress down or up today, and has a strong day and a strong week. If the dollar has a strong day tonight and a strong week this week, crypto is going to be very bearish. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.